Hello, don't skip this video. If you skip this video, Jesus will be very upset you. On no one anything expert to love one another, for he loves another has fulfilled the law. For the commandments, you shall not commit adultery, you shall not murder, you shall not steal, you shall not bear false witness, you shall not covet, and if there is any other commandment, are all summed up in the saying, namely, you shall love and neighbor as yourself. Love does no harm to neighbor, therefore love is the fulfillment of the law. And do this knowing the time that now it is high time to awake out of sleep, for now our celebration is near than when we first believed. The night is far spent, the day is at hand, therefore let us cast off the workers for darkness and let us put on the armor of light. Let us walk properly as the day, not in revolt and drunkenness, not in dinginess and lust, not in strife and envy. Put out on the Lord Jesus Christ and make no provision for the flesh to fulfill its lusts. You have heard that it was saying, you should love your neighbor and hate your enemy. But I tell you, I love your enemies, bless those who cure you, and do good those who hate you, and pray for those who spitefully use you and persecute you. A new commitment I give to you, that you love one another as I have loved you, that you also love one another. But above all these things, put one love, which is the bond of perfection. You shall not murder, you shall not commit adultery, you shall not steal, you shall not bear false witness against your neighbor, you shall not covet your neighbor's house, you shall not covet your neighbor's wife, nor his male servant, or nor female servant, or his axe, nor his donkey, nor anything that is neighbor's. Therefore, whatever you want men to do to you, do also to them, for this is the law and the prospects. You shall not take revenge nor bear any grudge against the children of your people, but you shall love your neighbor as yourself. I am the Lord. Owe no one anything expert to love one another, for he loves another has fulfilled the law. For the commandments, you shall not commit adultery, you shall not murder, you shall not steal, you shall not bear false witness against your neighbor, you shall not covet, and if there is any other commandment, all summed up in the saying, namely, you shall love your neighbor as yourself. But this I say, brethren, the time is short, so that from now on, even those who have arrived should be as though they had come. Those who weep as though they did not weep, those who rejoice as though they did not rejoice, those who busy as though they did not possess, and those who use this world as not missing it, for the form of this world is passing away. You also be patient, establish your heart, for the coming of the Lord is at hand. But the ending of all things is at hand, therefore be serious and watchful in your prayers. You are all sons of light and sons of the day. We are not of the night nor of darkness. Therefore, let us not sleep as others do, but let us watch and be sober.